Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do payroll for your employees on Odoo. So let's get right into it. Now for this, of course, you're going to need the payroll module, which is easily accessible. You can install it through setting up your database during that entire process, or you can install it after the fact using the apps module or installer. So what you need is to just install it however you want, and then you can start using it. Now, as you can see, it's right here on my dashboard, and I'm going to click on it and enter the dashboard of the payroll. And as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like for a pretty much empty install of payroll and without any data on, or without much data on Odoo. And then you can overview all of your data here, and then you can start actually using it to manage your employees' payroll. So you can go to contracts, and as you can see the contracts. You can add new contracts or index contracts that already exist. If I click on new, as you can see, you can add all the needed information. I'll just add myself as the employee, and the working schedule can be whatever you want, standard 40 hours or appointment resource default calendar, etc., etc. You can manage the work entry source, contract template. If you have any templates on your Odoo installation, you can figure out the salary structure type, the department, the job position, and the contract type. And once you add all the needed information, you can then save it, and now you have a new contract. You can do pretty much the same thing with salary attachments. You can also go to work entries and manage those as well. You can create new work entries, generate pay slips, and regenerate work entries in case some have disappeared. You can go to pay slips, manage pay slips to pay all pay slips in batches. You can manage the reporting for the payroll, head account, etc. And you can also configure all of the options in the payroll itself. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.